Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So last week I was looking at Adana's channel and I saw this gorgeous wig. I decided to click on the link in the description and order the wig, and when I saw the price, I wasn't liking the price at all. So I decided to challenge myself to see if I can make this wig for a significantly cheaper amount, and this is what I did. And I challenged myself to make it for about $30, and this is the result. So let me show you how I achieved this. So I went to my beauty store and I got this hair bundle. You can also use crochet hair if you want. I actually wanted to get crochet hair, but I didn't see the texture that I liked. So I got this. It was on sale. I got it for $20, and then I got these beads for $2. I also got this for $3. That's making $25. And I have this already. I think I got it for about $3. That's making $28. And then my needle and thread, my braiding hair, I had the leftover from when I did my jumbo box braids, and the combs I'm going to be using. Since those are items I already own, I'm going to value that at $2. So let's get started. I just start by detangling my hair as usual. I'm combing it out and making sure there are no lumps and bumps. So this is the hair I got. It has 3 bundles and a closure. And I won't be using this closure today. I'll use it for something else, because the style I'm trying to mimic looks so natural, but this closure is a low quality closure. The hair wasn't actually stitched into the lace. It was sewn like tracks. I don't know if you can see this. So I wouldn't be able to imitate a flawless look with this closure. So I won't be using this today. So now I'm just going to section off the top of my head where the cornrows would be. Okay. And I'm going to section off either side of the big portion of hair I just did for slimmer cornrows by the sides. So now I'm going to put my braiding hair into smaller pieces, as I'm going to do feeding cornrows. So I decided to start with the big cornrow in the middle, and then I'll do the smaller cornrows by the side. So I start with my hair. Then I start in the bean head. So now that I'm done this, I'm going to put in a knot. And then I'll proceed to do the smaller cornrows by the side. So I'm sectioning off some hair again into smaller pieces. And then I keep braiding and putting in some hair until I'm done. So I'm going to put that with the knot I have at the top, and I've done the second side. So now I'm trying to section off some hair to cover the tracks, because I'm going to do a sewing and I don't want like where the tracks are ending to show. So that's the I'm sectioning off right here, and then I'm going to proceed to make the cornrows by the side. So it's the same feeding cornrows that I'm doing here. I'll just keep picking up some hair with my right hand. If you're left-handed, you use your left hand to peel it, or whichever one is convenient for you. And then I keep braiding until I'm done. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you're enjoying the content so far. Also subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already. So now I'm trying to make the cornrows for where the sewing would, about how this would look. So I'm done making cornrows for my hair. This is the cornrow pattern I use. I know it looks very ugly. That's why when you're making your hair, because my arms began to hurt already. Like I felt like I carried 100 pounds of weight. So that's why I like to do the portions that people can see before I do the braids that people cannot see. So now it's time to start sewing in our weave. So I'm just working blindly here, using my fingers as a guide. I use fingers to feel where I have cornrows and sewing onto my cornrows. Being really careful what I want to make sure I don't poke myself with my fingers. And I'll keep doing this till I get to the top of my head and I've exhausted all my weave. Okay, so now I'm done with that. I'm just trying to trim the hair a little bit because it's so long. And now I'm putting some moisturizer. I'm just going to massage this into the hair until I don't see any white-ish stuff again on my hair. Now the top of my hair that I sectioned off to cover the tracks, I'm going to do some twists here so that it can look like the texture of the weave. Just some time twist. I'm going to take out the twist tomorrow morning. And now it's time to put the beads. So I'm looking at the picture of the hair for a reference to see how I'm going to arrange the beads. Okay, so it's the next day now. I'm just adding some finishing touches to my hair and putting some gold thread on the knots. and then I'll start to take out the twists. To give my hair a little bit of shine, I'm adding some mousse on the twist outs and on the cornrows so it can look a little bit nicer. And then I'm putting some edge control. And this is how it looks. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you are not already subscribed. Also share it with those that you think might find it helpful, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.